You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more, for the betterment of life. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Education is preeminently a matter of quality, not amount. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time, and without difficulty, are not worth much. Be ready to revise any system, scrap any method, abandon any theory, if the success of the job requires it. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. If a man is naturally selfish, or arrogant, or greedy, the money brings that out, that's all. Experience is the think of supreme value. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Whether you think you can, or you think you can, you're right. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Two classes of people lose money: those who are too weak to guard what they have, those who win money by trick. They both lose in the end. We are here for experience, and experience is a preparation to know the truth when we meet it. Businesses that grow by development and improvement do not die. We are always seeking for those things which are in the clouds, not for those that lie at our feet. Every success is the mother of countless others. The depression was just a state of mind. It is over for everyone who has changed his state of mind. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. The genius of the American people is self-reliance. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business.